What's up, guys? It's 8:50. About to be market open in like 30, 40 minutes. Gonna see if I can get a pre-market set up before New York session. As well, I figured out what it was that why I took the 165 I made is because I over leveraged. They have some like specific lot sizes that I'm able to use for each pair, and I figured out what it was already. So yeah, I don't gotta worry about that too much. But as we can see, there's a big ass push down on gold, so this is gonna be very difficult. What type of trade? It does look reasonable. Oh, there's a liquidity up here. Came down to this fair value gap, bullish engulfing candle, retracement candle, back up. But that's not my trade. And just because I'm getting bored doesn't mean I'm gonna force something now. Because then that's how I end up fucking losing. So there's this big push, and then there's news at 10 today on gold. There's news at 10 on all three of these. So should I even trade, bro? It's like, bro, this week has been so There's no structure that I can make here, even if I wanted to. Yeah, here I'm not entering. I'm not doing none of that shit. I don't even know what I'm doing, dog. Alright, let's go to the 1 hour real quick. Maybe this will help situate things. Okay. Obviously, we have this 3 hour push to the upside. Right here. As we can see, we have this area of wicks that doesn't want to be closed above, as this is massively rejecting. All of this shit happened in an hour. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got this liquidity up here, as we can see. Got that liquidity and then massively went down back to the downside. So it does seem that now it's gonna go for these over here. We're going for those sides of liquidity after it literally just smacked this liquidity and went back down. Head and shoulders, trend, got stopped. Bro, that's literally, bro, you see how my strategy works so good sometimes? Like, look at this shit. Look at that shit. The head and shoulders isn't it, but like, it's a like an added confluence. Head and shoulders, boom, little trend line right here that it follows through. Bam, nigga hits that shit right there. But if we're looking for there, obviously we'll go above the body because it's looking for a liquidity sweep. So anywhere around here in this box. Boom, enters, stop loss above this red candle. Brrr. What a hit right there. Would have been sweet, you know. But who gives a shit? Okay. 1 hour. We already see. Hit the liquidity sweep up here. And drop down. Okay, now we see. We already know about this little structure that's creating this level. What we're looking for is for it to break this trend, which seems it's gonna do right now. It's obviously on an uptrend at the moment, as we can see right here. Just literally broke all of this over here. Let's continue from this point. As we can see, 1, 2, 3, possible 4. Seems like now is when it's gonna break through. If it does, this will be the entry. Fair value gap will be this very, very small one right here. Is it an area of interest? Does not look clean. Move on to the next. Shit, it's gonna be a fat minute before it even gets close to that area. But yeah, I'm gonna just end the recording here, enjoy my time for like an hour, and get back on at 10 to see. I'm gonna waste time and give myself a potential situation where I end up forcing something. So I'm gonna just end it here, and then yeah, I'll get back on 10. So I'll see you guys in an hour or so. And we're back into it. It's finally 10:03, about to be 10:05. That new shit's about to be over. And I don't see nothing. I'll be honest with y'all. It's like, bro, it's just like this week is just not it, man. This week is just not it for me. We see this here. Got a little bit area of interest at this level right here. We would have entered, stop loss. And then obviously liquidity at this level here. So 150 and again 150. I feel like that's the best I can do. And obviously if it breaks under that level, then obviously I won't trade it. I won't enter the trade. And that'll probably be it for today, because, you know, I don't see nothing else nowhere else. So yeah. Oh, buckaroo. What am I gonna do? Well, hello there, fellas. As we can see, they'll find you. There's a possibility that we might enter a trade within a couple of seconds here. Or a couple minutes, maybe 3 or 4. Maybe even 2. It's officially going to be the first trade. I mean, not the first trade, but like first actual trade that fucking counts. Because I'm not over leveraging. I'm doing like, I think one lot when I'm able to do 1.5. So I'm 100% not over leveraging. So hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully this first trade's a winner. If it is, I'll get around like 800 to 1,200, depends where I stop. But obviously my take profit is down here at this level, as we can see, all right here. So, you know, am I a little nervous? I'll be honest with y'all, I am. But I'm not gonna let that shit stop me. Because if I allow that shit to stop me, I ain't gonna grow. So, best thing we can do is just, overcome that shit. Just let it play out, man. Let it play out. Alright, we go here. Then we go there. Then we go there. Take that shit out. Alright. Seems like it wants to reject. But I'm hoping before it does that type of move, it puts your boy in there. But I need to find a good, I think that's a good spot. Yeah, there we go. But yeah. Honestly, with how close it is, I'm going to give it max 10-20. If by 10-20, that's 8 minutes. 10-20, 22. I'll give it 8 to 10 minutes. If I'm not in there by then, low key, might not enter. It all depends though. If by 8:22 I'm back down here, bro, yeah, we're out. But if we're like somewhere around here, it's 8:22, but it's major consolidation, we're out of here. If it comes down, comes back up, about to tap that shit, maybe I'll leave it in. Seems like your boy is rejecting already, which kind of sucks. I'm just trying to get that little tap in, man. Come on. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy with me now. You know I need you, bucko. I need you. As well, why did I enter? As we can see, we had the 3 touches. 1, 2, 3 supported, and it broke under. After it broke under, what do we normally do? We look for an area of interest. Area of interest here, all in the 1 minute. Yes, I know. All in the 1 minute. Because it's that simple. We got liquidity down here. As well, this little spot, equal lows, as you can see. But I don't need to put that, as we also have the liquidity around. And yeah, also we see that we got a head and shoulders here with a level that might need to be tested. Right here. I just peeped it. Unfortunately, it seems that I'm not going to be able to get this trade, and that it might go low before I enter, which is very unfortunate. But we're going to let it be. Let it play out. If it breaks under this line or goes till 10:22 and there's no potential entry coming within the next 2 or 4 candles, then obviously I'll close the limit, and that's it. All right, buckaroos. As we can see here, this shit broke under very slightly. I'm gonna just go ahead and give it time till 22 to do whatever it fucking wants to do. Very, very close to entering the trade, but you know, they just had to tease me a little bit. Seems like this week I'm not gonna make anything, but who knows what's waiting for me next week. So I'm not gonna be upset. I'll go nice and slow and do my best not to worry too much, alright? Because worrying too much, forcing myself to do certain things that I'm not going to like or I'm going to be uncomfortable with, is not going to help me in the long run. So it's better if I just let it be for now. Or be consistent with my strategy, not do any other little gimmick. As you guys can see from what's being shown, gold's the only thing giving me my type of setup, you know? Upwards trend line to the area of interest where it's previously rejected, touch 3 times, break a structure, and it did end up coming back to where I tend to have my entry. Just obviously, as you guys can see, didn't fully go to my entry, but it did go in my favor. So I'm gonna look at it as analysis was right once again. I just didn't get the entry that I was looking for. And yeah, not upset about it. I'm gonna let it be. And that's it, man. It's that simple. All I wanted was you. And a little golden zone. All I wanted was you. All I wanted was you. Well, alrighty. Alrighty then. But yeah, it seems like we're not going to take the trade. It seems like it's going to continue going lower. Which is okay. It's okay, guys. There's no need for you guys to get so butthurt about it, It's fine. It is perfectly fine. Obviously, I want to trade just as much as you guys probably want to trade. But I'm going to let y'all know the best thing is not forcing anything. Man, oh man, just looking at it, it's just like, come on, man. Come on. Win in my favor once again. Would have been a winner. Would have made around $1,200, at least $1,000. But it's cool though. But it's cool. So before I start crying and reminiscing, not reminiscing, but daydreaming, like if I would have gotten in the trade, because I obviously would have gone straight to take profit, which, man, only that shit happened while I was in the fucking trade. But yeah, it's all good. It's all a test. He's testing me right now. Testing if I'm really going to stick to my strategy, stick to, my roots, or if I'm going to break out and force something. And I'm going to let y'all know right now, that shit ain't going to happen. I'm not going to change my strategy. I'm not going to change my mindset. I'm not going to over risk. I'm not going to force opportunity. I'm going to just wait. Obviously, I'm not going to change my entries or nothing on the next one, because then that's going to end up fucking me up, because I'm going to end up having to risk more, have a lower entry, higher stop loss. Nah. It's cool. It's good. You're going to miss out trades every now and then, Best way to look at it is look at it like this. Damn, it actually followed my analysis, played out exactly how I wanted it to. The only thing was it didn't put me into the trade, but who gives a fuck? End of the day, it was a winner. That's all that matters. It shows that my analysis is working, and I just gotta stick to it. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next episode, I guess if you want to say episode. Catch you guys on day 20, which is tomorrow, which is Friday, which is the end of the week. We'll either be at a break-even week, or obviously in profit or in drawdown. Hopefully it's profit. Hopefully we end the week good. Even if we ended in break-even, it's still good because we didn't lose any money. And I'm sure next week will be completely different, as this week was honestly pretty slow. There was barely any setup showing and all that stuff. So I'm not even bugging about it. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Dale.